Okay, we have a Clausing Kondia vertical machining setter, model B1050 Shark, serial number B5897, new in 1998. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a DYNAPATH AUTOCON 50 control. It has a YUKIWA indexer. We're simulating a tool change as a 22 ATC. Machine has a Cat 40 taper. Another simulated tool change. It has 39.37 or 1,000 millimeter in the X. Right now we're running the spindle. The spindle goes up to 6,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. Okay. So it's 1,000 millimeter in the X. Y is 500 or 19.685, and the Z is 610 or 24 inches. That's your X right there. Your Y. And your Z. And we're going to index. So you have the 4th axis indexer. I mean, not a full 4th, but it's an indexer. Okay. So you saw X, Y, and Z, tool change, B axis. You've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.